What's up, guys, and welcome back to the shop. Today's part 2 of the washer knife build. In this video we're gonna make a sand mine with the Damascus on the outside and a piece of 1084, I believe, in the center. We're gonna forge it out, grind it, and etch it to see what the pattern looks like. Alright guys, let's get started. A piece of 1084. We're gonna cut it and stack it in between and forge weld it together. This is gonna be the knife making piece of steel that's gonna be the cutting edge for this knife. Alright guys, we're gonna do a test edge. I'll be real honest with you, I think I made this a little too thin and I might have ground off those outer sides. I hope I didn't, but I might have. So we're gonna do a quick test edge, see if I can see where the core steel is and where the two pieces of outside Damascus I put, where those are at. Really hope I didn't grind all the way through. If I did, I'm gonna be pretty sad. Regardless, I'm still gonna make a knife and it's gonna look okay. It might not look as cool as it would have had I not done this so sloppy. But it's how we learn. We learn by messing things up. So check out if we can see where our core steel is. Well, this thing focuses. Can't really focus all that well. As you can see, there's a little dark line right here. Can't tell if you can see it very well, but that little dark line right there shows us that our piece is still in the center, our core piece is still in the center, and we do got a little bit on the outside that we can grind into from our outer clad steels. So I think we're gonna be good for now. As I go grinding out through, I can make the inside more prominent. It'll look pretty cool once we're done. Alright guys, we got the knife flat grinded. It took, unless you're a knife maker, and if you're a knife maker you're gonna agree with me, this takes forever to do. This takes hours upon hours to get a knife like flat grinded. It's a pain. So hopefully here in the near future I'm gonna be building a surface grinder here, a little surface grinder in the shop. If you're interested in seeing that, be sure to comment down below, let me know, and be sure to like the video if you haven't liked it. And the build is turning out pretty well and I'm pretty happy with it so far. It has a nice comfortable grip to it, and I'll see you in the next one. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. We're gonna drop it in the etch, in the acid etch, and we're gonna get a sneak peek at what the design looks like, and that's when we're gonna call it a day. All right, guys, we got it out the etch. This is what it's looking like right now. You can see clearly, you can see on the side that it has a lot more pattern. It's probably from where I was pressing it to extend it. And on this side, not so much. I guess I overdid it on one side more than the other. But it's coming out pretty cool. I'm very happy with it. I wasn't sure if it was gonna look like anything, honestly. But it has some lines and some movement in it. I don't know if the camera's catching this very well, but it has some lines and some movement in it. So I'm pretty happy with that. Alright guys, so that's the end of this part of the build. If you liked anything that you saw, be sure to drop a like and comment down below what you thought of the build, what you're thinking of the build so far, and any future ideas that you got, or just comment down below to say hi. It really helps out with the algorithm and it helps push the videos forward, and I really greatly appreciate that. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next part of this build. Later.